Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos for different niches. So you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill to social media pages like Facebook, etc. Or you can sell this skill to websites available on Google related to your niche, and they will surely hire you. Or you can target the offline market. So opportunities are limitless, and it is very premium skill to learn. So let's go to Canva. But before that, uh, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create photography logo for photography company or photography niche. So let's go to canva.com. Canva.com, if you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very handy and easy to use. If you want to learn complete Canva or complete knowledge about Canva, then go to my channel Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on how to like a complete playlist on Canva designing course, and after watching the course you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's get started. I search here logo and I choose the most popular format, 500 by 500 pixels, and here I choose photography. So we will choose one of the best template element for photography, and I like this one, and our company name is Adam Photography. So I shorten the size, and now I am changing the font style, and that's good. Increase the size, place it here, and change the background color so it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.